Welcome. This is TA Intersections Checker, version 2, for Civil 3D. Where two alignments cross, their design profiles should agree in elevation. Finding the ones that don't, by hand, is slow and easy to get wrong. The command asks three things. Select the alignments. Then the profile keyword, which is how it knows which profile is the design profile. Then the precision for comparing elevations. And there's the answer. 233 crossings on this scheme. 33 disagree. 5 couldn't be checked at all. Green means the two profiles agree. Red means they don't. And amber is the one that matters most. It means a profile couldn't be read, so nothing was compared. Hover it, and the tool tells you exactly why. Here, that profile has no elevation at the crossing because it's outside its station range. Run it again, and it offers to reuse the previous selection, keyword, and precision, rather than making you pick 200 alignments a second time. That's new in version 2. Each row has its own actions. Zoom straight to the crossing, label just that one, or drop a Kogo point on it. Export sends the whole schedule to a branded Excel workbook, or a CSV. Every crossing, both elevations, the difference between them, the status, and a note explaining anything the tool couldn't check. It carries the drawing name and the date, so it stands on its own as a QA record you can hand to someone else. And you can act on all of them at once. Label all labels every crossing and tells you what it did. 226 created, 7 already labeled. Create points drops Kogo points at every valid crossing. Mark invalid flags the ones that disagree in the drawing. Notice what it says at the end. The crossings it couldn't check were deliberately not marked, and it points you at the note column instead. It won't flag something it hasn't verified. TA Intersections Checker runs on Civil 3D 2025, 2026, and 2027, and it's on the Autodesk App Store. Link in the description. Thanks for watching.